The Sun, Earth, and our solar system. Look up in the sky at noon. What do you see? If it is not cloudy, you will see the sun shining brightly in the sky. The sun provides energy, both light and heat energy. The sun's light and heat give life to plants and animals. Without the sun, Earth would be freezing cold. Have you ever wondered what the sun is made of, or why it gives off so much light and heat? The sun gives us light and heat energy. A close-up of the sun. You may be surprised to know that the sun is a star. It is, in fact, the closest star to Earth. It is made up of different hot gases. How hot? A hot summer day on Earth is 100 degrees. On the sun, it is 10,000 degrees. The sun stays that hot all the time. The sun's gases create the light and heat energy it gives off. Long ago, people believed that the sun moved around Earth. This seemed to make sense. Each morning at the start of the day, the sun rose in the east. At the end of the day, the sun set in the west, exactly opposite from where it had came up. To explain this change, people said the sun moved around Earth. But now we know that this is not what really happens. The sun does not move around Earth. It is Earth that moves around the sun. The sun is in the center of a group of 8 planets. All of these planets, including Earth, circle or orbit around the sun. The sun, planets, and other objects in space that orbit the sun are called the solar system. The word solar has the Latin root word sol, which means the sun. Everything in the solar system relates to the sun. Planets orbiting the sun. Our planet, Earth, moves in 2 ways. We have just learned that Earth circles around the sun. It takes about 365 days, which is 1 year, for Earth to orbit the sun. Earth also moves by spinning or rotating on its axis. It is this spinning that makes day and night on Earth, and the motion of the sun across the sky from sunrise to sunset. It takes 1 day for Earth to make 1 complete rotation on its axis. As Earth rotates and spins, different parts of it face the sun. When the part facing the sun gets sunlight, it is daytime on that side of Earth. The part that faces away from the sun gets no sunlight. So on that side of Earth, it is nighttime. Did you know that when it is daytime where we live, it is nighttime on the other side of Earth? Earth spins on its axis. On the side of Earth facing the sun, it is daytime. On the side facing away from the sun, it is nighttime. When Earth is tilted on its axis towards the sun, it is spring and summer. When Earth is tilted on its axis away from the sun, it is fall and winter. When Earth rotates on its axis, it is tilted. At certain times of the year, one part of Earth is tilted toward the sun. The sunlight is more direct, and it feels hotter. For people living on this part of Earth, it is summer. For people living on the part of Earth tilted away from the sun, there is less sunlight, and it is winter. So when it is summertime for us, there are people living on other parts of Earth where it is winter. So the fact that Earth is tilted on its axis is what creates the seasons of the year.